Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss Spring and Spring Boot, and in the last we will set up a Spring Boot application and we will run it. For Spring Boot, some basic knowledge of Java is required, like understanding the concept of a class and object, knowledge how to call a method with parameter and return type, abstract class and interface, exception handling, collection framework, functional interface and lambda expression is the extra advantages. As I am using Spring Boot 3, we need the JDK version of 17. For writing and run the Spring Boot application, we need Eclipse or STS IDE. Now, what is basically Spring is? Basically, Spring is a lightweight Java J2EE framework that acts upon some existing core technology like Java, JSP, Servlet, JDBC and EJB. Spring framework have the following module: Spring Core, Spring AOP, JDBC, MVC, ORM and test. Spring Boot is an open source and is built on the top of a Spring framework. In Spring Boot, everything is auto-configured, so no manual configuration is needed. It increases the productivity of the application and developed production-ready application in an easier way. The main feature of a Spring is a dependency injection and inversion of a control, which will be discussed in the upcoming videos. With the help of a Spring, we can develop loosely coupled application. You can see this is our Spring official website. From this website you can learn many more about the Spring. Now I am going to show how to create a Spring Boot application using Spring Boot Initializer. From the Spring Boot Initializer, now select Maven project. Language is Java. Spring Boot version is 3.1.4. Group is, I am using com.bso. You can give your name. Artifact and name should be same. This is my name of the project. I am giving demo-spring boot. Description, you can give your description of the project. Package name should be same as your group name. I am giving com.bso. I am selecting jar as packaging and Java 17 as my Java version. After that, in the right hand side there is a button R dependency. So click on that R dependency. I am using Spring Web. Then after that, click on the generate. It will create a Spring Boot project. Simply copy this Spring Boot project and paste in your project folder. So here I am creating a project folder as a spring projects. So here I am paste this copy project. Now I am extracting this project. And now this zip file is not required. I am deleting this. So you can see, so when you create a project by using Spring Boot Initializer, a project structure is created automatically by the Spring Boot Initializer. Now the project structure is ready. Now it is the time to import the project in your Eclipse IDE or STS IDE. open STS, go to file, import, select Maven project, existing Maven projects, then click on the next, click on the browse and select your project. This is my project, then click on the open. Now click on the finish. You can see now the dependency will be downloaded automatically inside the Maven dependency. Go to source main Java and open your application.java. Write any message. I am writing hello Spring Boot. Now run your application. Right click on your application.java, run as Spring Boot application. You can see now your first application is running and displaying hello Spring Boot that you written inside your main method. Thank you.